Mesmerizing, isn't it? What you're seeing here is 10 seconds of normal footage played at 1/10 the original speed, slowing 10 seconds down to 1 minute and 40 seconds. Sparkles are tiny pieces of metal igniting as they're fired off. They're burning up quickly and completely. Sparklers are usually a thin wire made with a combustible paste on the far end. The combustible paste is made of fuels, oxidizers, colorants, and a binder. The fuel can be iron, aluminum, magnesium, titanium, or a ferrotitanium alloy, which is a combination of iron and titanium. When lit, it reacts with oxygen. Oxidizers like nitrates, chlorates, or perchlorates are used in the paste to help give off oxygen during the reaction. In the comments below, what does watching this remind you of? To me, it looks like an exploding star. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.